at the Gano Park boat ramp, Providence, Rhode Island. So these are my favorite sorts of boat ramps that have the little dock that goes alongside. This is like a single boat ramp, not a double like Mount Hope Bay is a double in Rhode Island. But the plan for the Day 12 is to go to a couple of urban rivers. This is the Providence River in Providence, Rhode Island. Definitely wanted to check out. I'd like to check out boat ramps before I go on them, before I take my boat. So Providence is one desired location to bring the O'Day, and also the Charles River in Boston, and possibly even the East River in New York City. So today's November 30th, 2019. Looking forward to the spring. So that's a sort of, I don't know if you call it an update, because most of the videos are projects on the boat, but this is related directly to the boat because this is where I'm coming. So since we're in Rhode Island, on the river here, Providence, there are more boat ramps. So here's another boat ramp. I'll find out the name of it shortly, but I figured I'd just show it. If it has those docks that go out alongside, they've taken this one down for the winter. Whoa. You can't tell because I'm just jiggling my foot, but this is very slippery. We might be in Pawtucket. I think I'll take a picture of the boat ramp, put it before this video, so by the time you see this, you should have seen where I'm at. Please, taking pictures. And hopefully the wind's not killing this audio. And last but not least, Saving Point, Providence, Rhode Island. Third and final boat ramp. This is way too cold.